Following a ketogenic diet can be a challenge, especially when it comes to dining out. The high-fat, low-carb nature of the keto diet often clashes with the typical offerings found in many restaurants. However, with the growing popularity of the keto lifestyle, more and more establishments are catering to the needs of their health-conscious patrons. In this video, we will explore the world of keto-friendly restaurant options, providing you with tips and strategies to enjoy dining out while staying true to your dietary goals. Plan ahead. Before heading out to a restaurant, it's essential to do some research. Many restaurants now provide their menus online, making it easier to scout for keto-friendly options. Look for dishes that are centered around protein and healthy fats while minimizing carbohydrates. Common keto-friendly ingredients include meat, fish, eggs, avocados, nuts, and non-starchy vegetables. Embrace customization. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications to suit your keto requirements. Most restaurants are accommodating and willing to make adjustments to their dishes. Swap out carb-heavy sides like fries or rice for steamed vegetables or a side salad. Request sauces and dressings on the side to control the quantity and avoid hidden sugars. Choose protein-rich options. Protein is a crucial component of the keto diet. Opt for dishes that are centered around quality protein sources such as grilled chicken, steak, seafood, or tofu. These options will help keep you satisfied while providing essential nutrients. Healthy fats are your friends. Embrace healthy fats to keep your energy levels up and satiety levels high. Look for menu items that incorporate avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, and seeds. For example, choose avocado slices or guacamole as a topping, and request olive oil-based dressings for salads. Be wary of hidden carbohydrates. Some dishes may seem keto-friendly at first glance but can contain hidden sources of carbohydrates. Sauces, marinades, and glazes often contain added sugars or starches. Be cautious of items like barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce, and honey glazes. When in doubt, ask your server about the ingredients or request them on the side. Ethnic cuisine. Explore various ethnic cuisines as they often offer keto-friendly options. Mexican restaurants, for instance, are known for their fajitas and grilled meats, which can be enjoyed without the tortillas and beans. Indian cuisine offers tandoori dishes and curries that can be low in carbs if you avoid rice and naan bread. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for any diet, including keto. Make sure to stay hydrated by drinking water throughout your meal. Avoid sugary beverages, including soft drinks, fruit juices, and cocktails, as they can quickly derail your progress. Skip the breadbasket. When dining out, it's common for restaurants to bring a breadbasket or chips and salsa to the table. To avoid temptation, politely decline or ask the server not to bring it. This simple step will help you stay on track and avoid unnecessary carbohydrates. Following a ketogenic diet doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the pleasure of dining out. With some planning, research, and smart choices, you can enjoy a delicious meal while staying in line with your dietary goals. Keto-friendly restaurant options are becoming more prevalent, and by utilizing the tips mentioned above, you can navigate menus with confidence and ensure a pleasurable dining experience without compromising your health and well-being. If you want more information about keto, you can read the description down below or watch this next video on the right. Remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Embrace the keto lifestyle, prioritize your health, and get ready to thrive in your journey to healthier lifestyle. We believe in you. Until next time, take care and keep shining.